Welcome. In front of me is HOTWAV W11, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. Next, we're going to navigate to Organize, Import or Manage SIM. And once you select Manage SIM, it will show all your contacts in here. Now for me, it doesn't have additional option which will most likely be visible on your end. So you probably have a drop-down menu somewhere between the Manage SIM and the first contact, which allows you to drop down, and right now it might state your Google account, or it might say the device. Now for me, this device does not have a Google account signed in, so it automatically opts into importing contacts to the device, as this is the only option that it has. So it also just kind of removes that drop-down menu, as it doesn't have any options other than the device. So in any case, in your case, you can just switch where you want to import your contacts to, and then you will see all your contacts below. Now they might be all selected, or some of them might be deselected and grayed out. If you have such a thing, that means that some of these contacts that you're trying to import already exist on the location that you're trying to import those contacts to, and the device is just stopping you from importing duplicate contacts. Additionally, you can also manually deselect contacts that you don't want. And from there, once you're ready, you can select Import. This will import all selected contacts to your chosen location, and when you navigate to your contacts, you should be able to see them right over here. Now, one more thing to also add is, depending on where you selected you want to import your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. For me, it shows me right now that the contacts being displayed here are displayed from the phone. That's why there's a phone icon. But in your case, it might be your logo or your image of the Google account, or the first letter of the Google account. And you can tap right here to choose the display location, and also you can select your SIM card, so you can display contacts directly from your SIM card in here, as you can see. So anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.